your dad's an actor.
Did
you have anything in your head कि यार मुझे पापा जैसे बनना है या पापा जैसे नहीं बनना है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था, क्योंकि जब मैं पैदा हुई थी, my dad was kind of having a low phase at that time. वो इतना काम नहीं कर रहे थे. He was a huge actor, and in the 90s and 80s predominantly he was the lead actor. फिर उसके बाद he kind of started doing different kind of work. There was long periods of time जब वो काम नहीं कर रहे थे. I would see him sitting at home, and बचपन में I think I must have been on set only once or twice with him. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बहुत ही busy है, इतना सारा काम कर रहे हैं, या हमारे घर के बाहर thousands of people are standing. मैंने ऐसा देखा नहीं था with him growing up. तो it wasn't like मुझे ऐसा बनना है वैसा बनना है, ऐसा कुछ डैड के साथ comparison नहीं था. I was just
But कुछ तो होता है ना, because dad's there, so you must be thinking कि this one thing मैं अपने डैड से pick up करूँगी और ये नहीं करूँगी, मुझे ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना कभी भी.
जो मेरे डैड से definitely मुझे pick up करना है, I think it's his versatility and his openness to change. Because I feel like he's done all kinds of work. He's played the lead roles, he's played the smaller roles, he's played negative roles, he's played comedy roles. So उन्होंने सब किया. He's done movies in Gujarati and Tamil and every possible language that he is getting work in. He's done OTT, he's done the big films. So उन्होंने सब किया, and he's been very open to change, which I feel is such a lovely thing, and I hope that मैं भी वो कर सकती हूँ.
And what is one thing you don't want to repeat which your dad did?
What I don't want to repeat that my dad did, I don't know. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं है.
सोचो.
अब मैं सोच रही हूँ. I think, कभी-कभी, I'll put it like this. मेरे dad, because he's from a different kind of school of cinema and acting, sometimes he thinks कि commercial films ही सब कुछ है. You have to do the big massy films and that's it. And I think the generation that I'm in, अभी जो actors हैं, we want to do a little bit of everything. We don't want to just do the
you want to do the impact
we want to do
movies,
everything.
yeah.
We want to be able to perform, and every chance we get to do that, we are all grabbing it as fast as we can. So maybe that's something that me and my dad disagree on. That for me, he would love to see his daughter in those big masala commercial films like he's done, And I sometimes are like, nahi, I don't want to play a small role in a big film. I'd rather play a big role in a small film.
Nice.
But actually, I think that perception of his is also changing, because after Call Me Bae, he was very, very proud, and he was like, I would not have advised you at this point in your career, do an OTT show, but seeing the love that you're getting for this, I'm very happy and I'm very proud. So you do whatever you want to do. Yeah.
Which out of all your movies and all your work, which was one thing your dad was like, ये बिल्कुल मत करना?
इतना मेरे dad interfere नहीं करते. I ask him for his opinion on things. So I think generally when it comes to OTT की फिल्में, छोटी फिल्में, he's like, do the big films. But then always in hindsight, उनके बाद, he's always like, nahi, I'm happy that you did these kind of films. So he doesn't say much. I think he's also rather like, you make your own decisions. क्योंकि बाद में he doesn't want me to be like, आपकी वजह से ये हुआ वो. Yeah.
Do you wanna? Have you ever thought in your head that I wanna be more successful than my dad?
I think my dad's very successful, and I think more than material success, he's very successful with people. His legacy in terms of the kind human being that he is, or just the impact he's left on people, or the warmth he has, I don't think that's something that I'll ever be able to achieve. And for me, that's way more important than materialistic success.
What do you give more importance to? Is right now at this phase in your life, material success, like the success that we all look for, or the people's success?
Both. I know it's a boring answer, but it's the same thing as box office, critical acclaim.
But choose
similar
one. There are different phases.
Right now, the phase that I'm in, I think I'm a little more unaffected about what people are saying about me as a person. So shayad, for me, work success is important right now. But I don't mean it in terms of just box office. I mean it in terms of validation and anything. Performance. Yeah.
The work success is more important.
Right now,
that answers. That tells a lot.
I know I may sound like I'm contradicting myself a lot in some things that I'm saying, but I feel like it's, as you said, it's about phases in your life. Or maybe like I can see that my dad has had a larger impact in terms of the person he is, and that's something I'll realize later on in the future, but I can already see it.
Okay, क्यों ऐसे बोल रहे हो? Give me an example जिनके साथ उनकी relationship इतनी अच्छी as a person, that's why you feel like ये तो मैं कभी नहीं कर सकती.
Everywhere I go, like I'm
give me one person or one example.
Any small corner in the world that I go, they're like, your dad came and spoke to us and made us smile, and he remembered us 10 years later, 20 years later. He's nice to everyone. I've never seen my dad. And he's also if he's eating a meal and he's in a restaurant and some fans come up and ask him for pictures, he always has a smile on his face. He's never like in a bad mood, or he won't let other people see that. At least for him, when he just really embraces the love and he gives a lot of love to people.
You
also.
don't?
I do also in my capacity, but I think he's much greater than me in that.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.